Hi there, welcome to our latest video on cryptocurrency trading and getting started. If you're new to the world of crypto, or simply looking to expand your knowledge, then you've come to the right place. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm and is changing the way we think about money. With the rise of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, there has never been a better time to get involved in the world of crypto trading. In this video, we will cover all the basics of trading cryptocurrency and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner, we'll show you how to safely and effectively trade crypto assets. First, let's start by talking about what cryptocurrency trading is and how it works. Cryptocurrency trading is the process of buying and selling digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's similar to traditional stock trading, but instead of stocks, you're buying and selling virtual currency. To get started with trading cryptocurrency, you'll need to set up an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges available, each with their own set of features and fees. Some popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. If you have decided to create an account on exchanges, you can have the advantage of paying less commission by registering from the commission discounted links in the explanation section. Choose the exchange that best fits your needs and create an account. Once you have an account set up, you'll need to fund it with money. Most exchanges accept credit cards, bank transfers, and other payment methods. Once your account is funded, you're ready to start trading. When you're ready to make a trade, simply place an order on the exchange. You can buy or sell cryptocurrency at market prices or place a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price. It's important to keep an eye on market trends and news that can affect the value of your crypto assets. Now that you understand the basics of cryptocurrency trading, let's talk about some tips and tricks to help you be successful. First, it's important to have a strategy in place. This can be as simple as buying and holding, or as complex as using technical analysis to make trades. Another important tip is to never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be volatile, and it's important to be prepared for both losses and gains. Finally, it's important to stay informed about the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency. This can include reading news and analysis, participating in online forums, and attending events and conferences. In conclusion, trading cryptocurrency can be a great way to build wealth and take advantage of the growing world of digital assets. With the right tools, knowledge, and strategy, anyone can start trading crypto and enjoy success. Thanks for watching this video on cryptocurrency trading and getting started. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.